It's gonna be Valentine's Day soon. Soon?
You gonna be my date?
About that, bro. Alright, so we got the wiring harness unplugged and out, and I just gotta take off this clip and this thing should be out. Yeah, there it is. And Braulio's in there getting the slave cylinder after that piece of dirt just ruined my life. Dirt in my, oh my God, bro, I got dirt in my eye. Ah, I can't even wash my
Slave's out.
Is it?
Need to get a clip.
Dog, like no homo, but I love you, dog. If I hadn't shown you guys enough, look at that bolt. I mean, look at that mount that just broke off. That's the whole reason for this thing. If you think about it, if the car still ran, I would have still had this 1cc in there. Would have never swapped it, bro. So maybe it was a good thing. Maybe it had to happen. I think so. You don't think so?
I think I would have convinced you.
You would have convinced me anyway?
Yeah.
So, I asked them, right? Like, I told them, you know, like, I'm gonna do a 2DC swap. Like, at first. And he was like, yeah, that's cool, but you're not. And I was just like, okay. So what do you mean? I'm pretty decided I'm gonna do a 2cc swap. He was like, no, you're doing a K20. And I insisted, I'm not doing that. I think it's fair to say that he convinced me and now we're here. So, yeah. Thank you for taking $10,000 from me.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, so it's a little bit later on the day. I made the really bad mistake of doing this on the Super Bowl night. So my buddy's actually watching the game and had to go to Walmart, buy this light. Then bring it close so we can see exactly what we're doing. So I took off the linkages already. I'm draining coolant right now actually. Took off the slave cylinder as well. And yeah, I'm just draining coolant from the front. It's my girlfriend here. She just came for moral support. And I just have a big old bucket under there. And we're just waiting for that to be done. So as soon as my buddy comes by, I believe we're actually dropping the engine today. We're gonna drop the whole subframe. At least I think. He hasn't hit me up. Just yet, so we'll have to see. But as soon as he gets back, then I'll make sure to turn the camera back on and you know, start filming again. So see you guys in a little bit.
believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Alright, somebody grab it because my stomach hurts. Yep, we're good to clear.
Alright, I need to get a picture, guys.
Where's your engine?
You gotta turn around and like do the peace sign.
That's the way.
Hey!
Alright, well, we're gonna have to pull the creeper out of it.
We could tip it over somewhere over here.
Tip it over, or you just pick it up and put it somewhere. Well, where are we going? Where you want to put it?
It don't matter, bro.
I'll put it along the fence line over there?
I was thinking resting it here.
Alright, fuck it.
What was the camera?